Okay, if you give your students a template like I have here, all the formulas for all the statistics needed are exactly the same, regardless of whether you're using Office, Microsoft Office, Excel, or Google Sheets. So up here we type average B9 to B29, and in Google Docs it's exactly the same formula. Mode, mode is the same formula. Everything's the same. Standard deviation is the same. It's the sample standard deviation. We're getting exactly the same value. In order to generate one of those formulas, we'll demonstrate it both places. To generate a formula, you type equals. You can search for it with a menu, but the programs are very smart. So I'm going to start typing, what do I want? A standard deviation. I hit ST, and it kind of simplifies that. And if it's a sample standard deviation, it's just STDEV. That's the sample standard deviation. There's also a .p, which would be the population, whereas a sample, we're going to use the population sample. We're going to use a sample to describe the population. And then there's another .s. I'm not sure the differences between all of these. I do not have a PhD in statistics, and it's been a long time since I've had college statistics. So I'll go ahead and then double click that, and then I will click and drag the cells that I want. So once I find the formula I want, then I can just hit enter, and it will calculate my statistics. The same thing happens to write a formula in Google Sheets. If I delete my formula there, I will type equals, and I start typing ST, and this time, there's the standard deviation. Guess what? There's the .p, the .s, some of those other specialized ones that you need a PhD in statistics to know what those are. I'll do STDEV, and then I can click and drag all my same values. So in essence, the argument that you need to know one to know the other, guess what? They're so similar you can hardly tell the difference. The way the activity is laid out for us and where it really becomes much simpler is using Google Sheets is when you need to generate a histogram.